Hey guys, this is Abel Pacheco, and you guys are watching Isabel Pacheco's channel. Today's theme is slime, and today I'm going to be showing you my 3 slimes in my collection. Of these 3 slimes, I named them, and they look like what I named them. I have sea blue. This one's soft blue. This one's sea blue, and I put it in this container. This one is like strawberry shortcake, and in person, it actually looks like and I put it in a Ziploc bag. The next one is lime. I call this one lime. Green, yellow, limeish, whatever you want to call it. So let's get on to the video. Oh wait, I forgot. Make sure you like, subscribe, and comment. And stay tuned for this next video that I'm going to be posting later on. I'm going to teach you guys how to make slime later on. So make sure you stay tuned for that video. And let's get this video to 10,000 likes and put that to 10,000 likes and thumbs up. So, stop talking and nip-napping and let's get on to the video. So I have this slime right here. Sorry. I have this slime in here. And it's sea blue. When I take it out, it has like the fingerprint of the slime.
Close the curtains, Bella.
Shh. So, this is...
Where they have el dinero del jardinero. He's gonna come. I left the gate open, and when he leaves, you make sure you lock it.
Ignore that, okay?
Not even unlocked.
So, yeah. This one's called Sea Blue. I love this one. This one's... This one's smooth. Yeah. This one's smooth. Smooth. I'm going to Disneyland. I'm going to bring my slime to mine. This one's the green one. So this one is called lime. This one's called lime slime. I love this one because it's just like the sea blue one. It's soft, but this one's like kind of like smoother than the other one. I can just play with it. Whoa, wowzy! Ew, don't say you got dirty. Oh, that's why, guys. This one's called lime. I love this one because it's really stretchy. This is what happens when you have slime and it gets dirty. So yeah, so let me put this one away. The next one is gonna be strawberry shortcake. Strawberry shortcake. I love strawberry shortcake. Excuse me, strawberry shortcake. Open it up. Open it, open it up. This one's hard. It's not that hard, but I'm gonna scream. My slime's turning hard on this one. Look at this. Oh. Whoa. But it's still slimy. I love this one. I just love it. In the arms of an angel. So, this one's really soft. So, let's see if I can try to break this one. So, yeah. So, thank you guys for watching this slime video. And stay tuned for my next video that I'm going to be making later on, how to make slime with Elmer's glue and Tide. First tip, if your slime turns hard, make sure you put it in water. Then you take it out of the water, then you play with it, then you put 2 drops of a little bit of lotion. Then you start playing with it and it gets soft and stretchy. Make sure you guys do not use borax. Borax can hurt your ears. Make sure you guys like, subscribe to this channel, and stay tuned for my next video down below. Bye, guys. Always remember to celebrate life. Say bye to myself. Bye. So remember, this one's sea blue, lime, and strawberry shortcake. Don't forget to subscribe. Please don't forget. Give this video a thumbs up. Bye, guys.